probiert.
Cheese. You do. Alright, let's go. Little Red Riding Hood. Juicy Cruise.
Each of the adults you can pick the kids one with you up and they'll take them off you at the gate. So the boats will go number 5, so that's outdoor and you just turn left. They'll board at around 20 past, so you've got a couple minutes.
20 past. Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the cruise.
Thank you. Okay. We got our tickets. So now we're heading out. It's like so many different cruises here.
Do we know which one?
It's platform number 5. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow, look at that. Queuing to go up. Put your hoodie on.
Yeah, I don't want James Holds.
Boarding pass. Thanks, mate.
Just mind, just step on the doorway for us, guys.
How you going?
Hello, hello, welcome.
Welcome on board.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Welcome on board. Yep. You can pick up your lunch after this way.
Can we stand outside?
You can stay.
Come. Let's go in front. Wow, we're at the upper deck towards the back. It's freezing cold. This is so cool.
It's wet, so you can't see.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
To get everything open. There's complimentary tea and coffee downstairs there at the cafeteria. Help yourself. And we also have food available and alcohol for purchase. Hot and cold food there. Toilets are located at the rear of the lower deck on either side. And rubbish bins placed around the vessel for your convenience as well. So if you've got any litter, rubbish, please make use of these.
I'll try not to get eaten just yet. Oops, sorry guys, I'll let you come up. Alright.
So we are at the upper deck, and it's cold, but it's so cold.
here in Milford, it's quite hard to see.
Views are awesome.
That's the Milford Sound. Is that the waterfall?
I think there are many waterfalls around.
Yeah, should be. Because on the way here, the drive, we saw a lot of like small little waterfalls.
Yeah.
So now we're going to the big one.
So do you recommend people coming all the way here? You should go all the way up.
Yeah, is it really awesome?
It's really awesome.
Yeah, cool.
And make sure you wear like your jacket.
Jackets,
Because
yeah.
it's cold.
Is it beautiful? Because they said that apparently like today is probably one of the best days to see it.
Why?
So don't see it when it's dry, because when it's sunny and dry, you don't see any of the waterfalls at all. It actually dries up completely. So guys, do not fear that it's raining. It actually wonders the beauty of it all. See some cool things. So there you go.
That's why everyone is like going out already.
Yeah.
Heart cold, whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no light left, way to go. Get back alone without a goal. That goes to let's be brave to get this. Now be brave to get this. Ooh, 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 ooh. But we both know. So why can't we just give it a go? Step back to life we don't know. 'Cause when we're with you, everything is start making sense. The worries I've been stuck living in, turning into fire and flame. Yeah, maybe I was a little lost, hoping different I come along. But then again, I wouldn't have known that heaven was mine after all.
Thank you.